everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Brandy Melville necklace. It looks like this. And I saw the necklace and I realized that it looked really easy to make, so I'm going to show you guys how to make it today. All you're going to need to make this necklace is stretchy string, white beads, and these are seed beads, by the way. And you're also going to need gold seed beads. So I have these gold ones. This is also the same size as the white beads, so that's the size in case you needed to know that. And there are the gold beads. You're going to need scissors. I forgot to get a clasp, but you're also going to need one of these. And I'm also going to get the other types of clasps. I'm pretty sure you just clamp them onto the necklace, and instead of tying them on, it's a lot better. It's because I haven't gone to the craft store in a while, so that's why I haven't gotten that. But for now, I'm just using this type where you tie it on to the string. And that's all you're going to need for this necklace. So without further ado, let's get started. So sorry about the lighting. If it's kind of grainy, it's because it's a lot later than I usually film. 5 hours later than I usually film. So that's why the lighting looks like this. First step is to get your string and measure it around your neck. I always like cutting this a little bit bigger because I know I'm going to need room to tie it with the clasp. So I just made mine that big. You don't have to make yours like that though. That's just how big I made mine. And now we are going to tie the clasp on one side of this necklace. So here I have the string and I'm just going to tie a knot on this. So it's just a regular knot. It's nothing special. Just put this on the string and then tie the knot. And this is why I like getting extra string, because then I don't have to worry about not having enough. And I don't want this to unknot, so that's why I'm going to do 4 knots. 4, and I'm just going to tighten that, and then I'm going to cut this. But there's that, and then now we can start putting on the beads. And the reason why I put this on in the beginning is because if I put it on later, then the beads are going to slide off on the other end, but since I have this, they're not going to be going anywhere. Now I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can see how to make this necklace. Okay, so here I have my necklace, and I'm just going to cut this so I can start using these white beads. I'm using my mini scissors to cut this. Each time you add beads, you're going to want to add 14 white beads, so I'm going to add those on right now. This might take a while because these are seed beads, so it's going to take a little bit longer. Okay, so now that I have the beads on there, I'm going to get 1 gold bead, and I'm going to put this on the string. Okay, so I'm adding the 1 gold bead, and then it should look something like this. It's a really simple necklace. And then I'm going to be adding 14 of the white beads again. Then I'm going to be adding another gold bead, and then I'm just going to keep repeating this step, and the necklace will start looking like the Brandy Melville one. And it's a really simple necklace. It's just 2 colors, and that's really all you have to do for this. That's the reason why I decided to show you guys how to make this necklace, was because it's so simple. But now I'm just going to add 14 more white beads to this. Now I'm just adding my gold bead. I've added 3 gold beads so far. I'm going to get more so I can keep adding them to the necklace. I'm going to Joann's craft store tomorrow, hopefully, and I think I'm going to try to get new beads. And I want to learn how to make necklaces that aren't just like these types of necklaces where you just add the beads on. I want to get like necklaces that I can add charms onto, like silver chain necklaces, and then add charms to that. I don't have any of that right now, so that's why I think I might buy some of that stuff tomorrow. I'm almost done. I've done this much so far. Just looks like this. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the gold, and I think I'm gonna do about 2 more. I'll have to see, but I am almost done with this, and I haven't even been working on this necklace for that long. I think I've been working on it for like 7 minutes, which really isn't that long for a necklace, so I'm almost done with it. Okay, so I'm all done with the necklace, and now I'm going to add on the clasp, and that is the last thing I need to do. So here I have the clasp, and I'm just going to put this on the necklace, and then I'm going to tie a knot. So I make sure that this is not going to come off of the string anytime soon. And then I'm just going to tie 4 knots to make sure that this isn't going to come undone. Okay, so I'm all done tying the necklace, and I'm just going to cut off the excess. And now we are done with our necklace. Once again, sorry if the lighting looks weird, but this is the finished necklace. Just looks like this. I think it looks really similar to the Brandy Melville one. Like, I'll insert a photo of the Brandy one next to this one. And I think it looks really similar. I'm not sure how much the Brandy Melville one costs. I'll look that up right now. I looked up the price of the Brandy Melville one and it costs $12. And this one probably costs around $5 to $7. It's really not expensive to make this necklace at all. Like, for me, it costed $0 to make this just because I already had all the materials. It's really easy to make. All you need is 2 types of seed beads, string, and a clasp at the end, and that's literally all you need to make this. And it's a $12 necklace on Brandy Melville. And what I like about this is you can decide how big you want the necklace to be. I made my necklace like this, but you can also make yours longer if you want. And now I'm gonna put this necklace on so you guys can see how it looks. This is what the necklace looks like. It's just a really simple necklace, and I could even wear it like this. But I'm going to take this pearl necklace off so you guys can see the other necklace better. So the reason why I made the necklace this length is because usually I like wearing this necklace every day. So I like having a shorter necklace than this one just because I feel like it looks better than 2 long necklaces. The camera looks really grainy right now because it's dark. This is the necklace and I really like it. I love how it turned out and I feel like it looks exactly the same as the Brandy Melville one and it was cheaper to make as well. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!